Hindi natin pwedeng i-figure out. We cannot figure out God. We are required to believe God, not to figure it out. Kasi kung i-figure natin, maraming disappointment. But if we learn to just obey, Lord, let thy will be done in my life. He will do the rest. Kasi makita natin si Abraham, instead na mag-back out, sabi niya to young people, okay, andito na tayo, paiwan kayo dito, aakyat kami, at ako'y babalik. Anong nakikita ni Abraham? Ang nakita ni Abraham, mga kapatid, sa journey niya, apat daw nakilala niya ang Diyos. At kung gagawin niya man ang sinabi ng Panginoon, at gagawin niya dahil sinabi ng Panginoon, alam ni Abraham na kung gagawin niya at papatayin niya rin si Isaac, alam niya na bubuhayin muli ng Diyos si Isaac in order to fulfill His promise. Dahil ang seed, mga kapatid, dapat manggaling kay Isaac and his seed in all generation. Kaya makita niya, he is looking beyond death unto the resurrection. Kasi kung ang tao, kung namatay na, sabi niya, wala na ang pag-asa. But we are looking beyond death. Alam niyo mga kapatid ni Abraham, kung papatayin niya according to the promise of God, praise God, with the erase up ng Panginoon in order for God to fulfill His promise.